Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, Australian dollar, US dollar, etc. So in this video, I will be analyzing the chart of British Pound US dollar for 11th March 2021. So this analysis is for 11th March only. I'll be coming again, or you'll see me tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that right now market is trading at 1.3936, and market was in uptrend. After that, market fell. Market tried to go up again, faced resistance at the 50 moving average, and market came down again. And market took support at 1.3801, this level. Okay, market took support at this level, and from there market is trying to climb upward again. So what should be our strategy? Let me take out the pencil. Our strategy for GBP USD is, as of now we can see that market is going up. Okay, so if market goes up, okay, if market goes up and hits this blue line, okay, 1.40152, so you can see that market has previously reversed from this point. If you see that after hitting this resistance, market is unable to cross the line, and market is struggling to cross. Okay, then you can short the market here. You can short the market here. Just look for a price rejection from above like this, or a big red candle like this. Okay, if you see that price is struggling at a resistance and you spot a price rejection from above like a shooting star kind of a pattern, or inverted hammer, or a big red candle, then you can short the market right away. And on the other hand, if you see that market has crossed the level, okay, market has crossed the level with good amount of volume, good volume, market has crossed the level, then wait for 1 hour at least. Wait for 1 hour and see how the price is reacting with the resistance. If after 1 hour, if you see that okay, market is trading comfortably above the resistance, then you can go ahead and buy. It means that the resistance has become the support. When the resistance becomes the support, you can easily go for a buy. Okay, but to make sure, wait for 1 hour. Okay, so this is your first strategy. Second strategy is wait for the market, or if the market goes down. If market goes down, just observe how the price reacts at the 1.3780 level. Okay. If you see that market is trying to bounce back again from this level, if you spot some good price rejection, then you can easily go ahead and buy here. And on the other hand, if you see that market has crossed this line, okay, then just wait for again 1 hour. Okay, the price should get the support of volume. If you see that the price is being supported by volume and the sellers are back in the game again, they are selling the market, okay, then wait for 1 hour. Let the support become the resistance this time. Let the support become the resistance, and then you can easily go ahead and short the market here. Okay, this here resistance should become the support. Okay, resistance should become the support, sorry. Okay, uh, on the upside, when resistance will become the support, you should buy. On the downside, when the support will become resistance, you should sell. Okay, simple concept. And so this is your second strategy, or this can be a second strategy. And the third strategy can be, you can see that right now market is trading at the overbought zone. Okay, right now market is trading at the overbought zone. So wait for the market to cool off a little. Let the market take rest a little bit. Okay, because after this huge fall, okay, market may struggle a bit to go upside. It's not it. Let the market come down to the oversold level. So when the stochastic RSI will be in oversold level, just observe the position of the market. If you see that stochastic RSI is an oversold level and it is about to go up again, stochastic RSI is getting ready to move upward again, like this, or like this. Stochastic RSI is about to go up again. Just check where the price is. If you see that price is trading above the 50 moving average, okay, then you can go for a buy. So if stochastic RSI is an oversold level and about to go up, if you see that price is trading above the 50 moving average, okay, or near the 50 moving average, okay, then you can go for a buy again. Okay, but these two levels are very important. Okay, 1.3780 on the downside and 1.4015 on the upside. Okay, if market reverses from the blue line, short the market. If market crosses the level and resistance become the support, then go for a buy. Just wait for 1 hour. Okay, and on the other hand, if market comes down, reverses from here, if you spot some good price rejection from below, okay, you can go for a buy. And if market crosses the level with good volume and the support becomes the resistance, then you can short the market. And if market doesn't come to this any point, and if then just let the stochastic RSI come down to the oversold level. Okay, when it will start go up again, just see the position of the price. If you see that price is above the 50 moving average, then it is your area of value and you can easily go for a buy order again. So this is or these are the simple strategies that you can follow for GBP USD for 11th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And you can also check my Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So, so good luck. See ya again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Good luck.